I'm going to be using the Element Swell volumizing lotion. This product is great at creating volume throughout the hair. It has an anti-humidity shield that helps to lock out the moisture to make sure that your hair stays beautiful and full throughout the day. With a hold factor of a 4 and a shine factor of a 6, this is going to plump the hair from roots to ends. To use this product, you would apply it onto damp hair. Quite a good amount works with Swell. Working it through the palms of the hands, I will then work to evenly distribute it from roots to ends. Working it the whole way through the hair, I can then leave the hair to dry naturally or come through and blow dry. So as you can see, after using the Swell, we have beautiful volume and shine coming through this hair, and we would have locked out all of that humidity, making sure that our style is going to last all day.